Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I will be showing you how you remove access to a file in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see right here under suggested, I can see all the files that I have recently used. And here I can see all the folders that I have where I have grouped my files. And if I scroll down even a bit more, I will be able to see all the files that I have that are not grouped in any folder. So guys, let's go back to the top of the page, and as you can see here I have some files that are using multiple people. If you cannot find your files guys, then you can look at the left side of the screen where you will see multiple options that you can use for finding files, such as looking at your drive or shared options, or you can see your trash and so on. But yeah guys, let's say this is the file right here. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and find the file where we want to remove access. Now we're going to go ahead and right click the file. Right clicking the file guys, this will open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options that you can use, such as sharing the file, getting the link, previewing it, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and find this option right here called share. So guys, go ahead and click on share. Now this will give you the option to give access to multiple people to see your file. But as you can see, I can already see the people right here that I have access to the file. So if you're the owner, what you can do is go ahead and find the person that you want to remove. Let's say this is the person, and you want to click on their option right here, that's this arrow, and then you want to click on remove access. Clicking on remove access guys, this will now remove the access that they have to access this file, and they will no longer be able to access this file and see what is inside the file. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.